Drop my teeth brush in at the tiny little spot where I shit.
I'm gonna play We Listen and We Don't Judge with my mum. I'm going to be lying about what I've done. This is gonna be so scary. Okay, mum, I'm just recording this so my friend can see it and hear your reaction.
Why your friend want to hear my reaction?
We listen and we don't judge.
We listen and we judge.
So last week when I cleaned the bathroom, I accidentally took the toothbrush into the toilet and put it back where it was.
Who a teeth brush?
Yours.
My teeth brush in at the toilet. You joke or you serious? So where the bumbo clot this?
Ma?
You drop my teeth brush in at the tiny little spot where I shit.
Listen, we don't judge. That's
No. Am I still using that same teeth brush? The same teeth brush upstairs?
Yeah.
How where the bumbo clot? So you officially have turned me in a shit mouth?
We listen, we don't judge.
Me not think me like that game, yeah. Continue.
Remember the time when you lost your money and you couldn't find it and you were trying to find it? I was the one that took it because I wanted to buy
Where the
something.
bumbo clot?
I'm sorry, I just needed it for something.
What kind of game this? You want to confess the things them where you do and you turn it in a game? And what else?
Last week when you cooked all of us dinner, everyone got sick. The reason why everyone got sick, it was because of me. I coughed in the rice and
What?
I coughed in the rice pot.
Hey, so the one when you have heart and spit. Jesus Christ, Chanel.
Mommy, listen, we don't judge.
So how you feel heart and spit in the rice? And you drop me freaking teeth brush in the dirty toilet bowl. So my teeth brush become toilet brush. And that you try to tell me, Chanel. And I talk about me listen and me not judge. How the bumbo clot this me I hear this
We
evening?
listen and we don't judge.
No, me not like that game. Yeah. This is a bumbo clot confession. It's alright. It's alright.
Remember the day when you and Dad went to shopping? I brought my boyfriend in this house.
How where the bumbo clot?
Tell
Tell me I forgot
in
here
this
this one.
house.
In this house here. Oh, this
house.
bumbo clot game done. No, you got to be bumbo clot joking. This can't real. This bumbo clot game is done. No, me no want to hear no more.
Listen,
Because me
judge.
I gonna make Kenny deal with this. And this bumbo clot game done.
Is in the pot?
Done. Oh, you're too out of them.
Guys, make sure to follow my Facebook. I'll be doing some giveaways over there and posting more on there.